Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. Are you looking for post-graduation programs, higher studies after your graduation? Especially all my engineer friends and all those super cool architects. You just graduated out of the college, and of course my favorite planners. You just graduated from the college and want to have a post-graduation course if you don't wish to do a job, or if you won't feel your BA or your BTech won't provide you enough money for this to do a job, and you want a post graduation course for that, and you don't wish to do in the same field. For example, you don't like to do a MTech, you don't want to do a master in architecture, you don't want to do a master in planning, then I have a creative career option for you. Yeah, we are talking about Master of Design course. That is a post graduation in design field, and it has too many different branches. You can choose from whatever you like, and especially it's very useful for engineering background people. So let's know what is it. And if you are new to my channel, I make contents regarding what is design, art, creativity, and how to get jobs as a designer. I'll talk about all different kinds of design and design fields, and that's why I'm talking about Master in Design course as well, because it completes vast volumes, and this has amazing colleges like NID, National Institute of Design, and your IITs. Of course, you can do Master of Design in from IITs without even cracking the gate. That sounds cool, right? Then go check out my other videos, that is M Design from NID or M Design from IDC Bombay, that is your IIT colleges. After this, you can you can go and watch this, and you'll get it in the end screens. Please watch the video till the end. You'll get lot of knowledge from this, and you will understand everything about Master of Design, why you should do this course if you are interested this, if you are not interested in. So you usually what engineering or mostly engineering students have MTech, MBA, MS. They think about these things only, right? MBA and MS are common, and others, if from architecture students think of BMArch, and planners think of M planning, which in both the sounds are same if you are doing something like urban planning and all. But if you don't want to do, if you want to change your field, like if you want to do different things, then I have an amazing course, post graduation course, that has high demand present days. You hear about UI design, UX design, interaction design, all these are taught in this field, and it's an amazing course where you will just not learn theoretical knowledge, and you will learn about it practically. And let's see what is it. It's Master in Design course. It is 2 years post-graduation course. Some colleges take 2.5 years as well. And it's basically blend of design and technical aspects, or design or communication aspect. And it has various specializations. And this course makes what a designer do. Please go and check out my video on what is design. It will give you a lot of knowledge about what exactly design is and what designers do. They basically, in the business world, they basically solve a problem. They try to meet somebody's need, your need, by designing something. Everything man-made is designed, and designers help you understand what are your needs, and they will improvise it. Okay, and this will help you to start your new startups as well. The current entrepreneur craze, it will help you with it. Okay, let's see. Eligibility is 10 plus 2. You should have graduation of 3 years or 4 years. For usually for IIT colleges, it is required you should have 4 years graduation course at least. It's 10 plus 2 plus 4 in IIT colleges. You can go. I had a different video for all those IIT and IIT colleges. Please go and check out that if you want to go for only IIT colleges. Okay, other NID and all, you can just be a graduate and you are good to go to take that exam. So for join master in design, you have certain exams, and few private colleges conduct their own exams, and I'll make entire video on different colleges and their entrances exam, but mostly I'm giving you a top rated entrance exam and all these major government colleges. Okay, and I'll take name of few colleges, but in next video I'll be doing entire thing. I already have top bachelor of design colleges. The master of design colleges are going to be almost very similar. It's just that your specialization in it will change. Okay, so the major college for any design student is NID, until and unless if you're not going into the fashion world. For fashion design and fashion related courses, it's always better if you go to a NIFT college. And for fashion design and fashion technology, I'll make a video on NIFT college as well in upcoming days. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video if you gain knowledge from it. So first major college being NID. NID is means National Institute of Design. It has exam called as NID DAT, and you have all your IIT colleges, IISc colleges, IISc college, and major government aided colleges from you can get from SEED exam. That is your SEED exam is common entrance exam for design, which for undergrads it's called as UCEED, undergraduate common entrance exam. And you have major IIT colleges like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Jabalpur, IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so it's an amazing course. And you have UPES, that is UPES that is for petroleum energy studied, University of Petroleum Energy Studies. And there are many more colleges, but these are the major ones. And you have private colleges. You have Pearl Academy, you have Amity University, and Srishti College, School of Art and Architecture and Design. So there are too many good colleges even in private as well, but be careful while going to the private colleges. So it has too many different wide range of branches. I'll talk about major courses, and my channel will keep on discussing various kinds of designs and design related courses. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to know about all that. Like I do majorly on graphic design, UX, UI, web designing, and interior design related video. I talk about even architecture and bee planning. So please subscribe to the channel if you are interested in this. So first one is visual communication. Visual communication is way you talk from video perspective. That can be graphic, that can be UI. UI is related to UX. Then your augmented reality or virtual reality, which are in high trend currently, AR, VRs. Then your interaction design, that is IX design, your voice voted. Then you have things like industrial and product design, where you meet the needs of the people. For example, we'll be having every new model of every product, right? From your phone to your car to your scooter to your smallest name, the old model has been modified to newer version. That's what the work of product designers. By understanding the needs of the modern age, they change the things, and they improvise their olden design. And that not only happens in the world of physical products, that even happens with your apps keep updating, and your user interfaces keep on changing. All those are works of a designer only. And you have interior and furniture design. This is a great course for people with the architectural background and anybody who is interested in it. But it's better if you go for the from architecture background, I personally feel. Then you have textile design, where you make the garments, like not design them, you make first a piece of garments from the thread. Then you have glass and ceramic design, where you keep these luxury items and design them. With this comes along with your visual communication. Also teach you the film and video communication, because that is the way you interact with your by making the film, you interact with your audience, just like I interact with you people right now, right? How I'm interacting with you, I'm interacting with you through a video. Then you have toy and game design, that can be your physical toy making, that can be your game designs, from your Milli Militia to your PUBGs and all these kind of stuff. Then you have animation and film design. You can make movies out of animation and films, from making character and all. Or you can even become illustrator designer by just understanding basics of animation. So this course has way too many courses, like there are too many. There are things like new media communication, that is how I communicate from a Facebook or these new social media things. Even it will teach you digital marketing and marketing management related courses, fashion communication, lifestyle communication, and lifestyle and accessory design, which I have a whole video about lifestyle accessory design. Please go and check that. I have videos on UI design, UX design. I'll be doing videos on all these different sort of design, like product design and industrial design. Please subscribe to the channel if you want that. And interaction design currently is in high boom. You can get it from, and one of the best colleges being IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi, which is Industrial Design Center. It will help you to gain a lot of knowledge, even by you guys work practically over in the design colleges, okay, by making models and all. And I'll be talking about how to crack these UCEED exams and NIDDATs. Please subscribe to the channel if you want all those. Then you have exhibition design, way how you plan with space planners, like if you move to certain spaces, how those spaces will be organized is done by exhibition designers. So these are the major parts I talk. And design has too many fields, like product, even the set design and all. So if you want to know about all that, please subscribe to the channel. It is a great course which is in high demand for all of graduated people, masters in design. Please subscribe to the channel.